Satnam, here are two of my favorite rituals for getting present in the moment. They come from Kundalini Yoga and beyond. The first one is when you're noticing yourself react to something in the room or in a conversation. The first one is to pull root lock. Root lock, squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center. Inhale, squeeze, tense, and in the exhale and in the release of tension, watch yourself come back to the present moment, gain your ground, and then come back to the conversation. That's number one. Number two is when you're walking through hallways, walking through your home, and you're noticing that you're not quite present, then touch the door frames. Touch the frames of the doors as you pass through, almost like you're touching the button, the on button for a portal, entering into that next phase, entering into that next conversation, so that you can be present while you do it. Satnam, tell me how it goes.